If I just fix one sentence of yours today, then it's great. I'll do a lightning fast correction of errors. I can guarantee you'll never make this mistake again. Ready for a 2-minute English glue up? So welcome back quickly to our list of correction of errors. The kind that sneak into our everyday English and steal our marks or our confidence. Let's fix them for good now. The first is subject verb agreement. The sentence, the list of items are on the table. This is wrong because the actual subject is list, not the items. So don't get confused. Just because items is found before the verb, don't get confused. So the tip is find the real subject, not the distractor. List is singular, it contains many items. Error 2 is misplaced modifiers. Walking down the street, the flowers smelled wonderful. How can flowers walk down the street? There's something wrong with this. So correct it. Walking down the street, I smelt the wonderful flowers. So the tip is place the modifier next to the word it describes. Third one, pronoun reference error. When John met Ravi, he was nervous. Now tell me, who was nervous? Was John nervous or was Ravi nervous? So the correct sentence is, John was nervous when he met Ravi. So keep your pronouns crystal clear. That's the tip for you. And here's a quick bonus. Irregardless. It is wrong. You just say regardless. Regardless of the consequences, I decided to go ahead with my plan. Then more, better, it's wrong. Good, better, best. Better is the comparative form. So you just use better and don't say more, better. His voice is better than mine. Now already we fixed discuss about. So remember, it's only discuss and not discuss about. She discussed the plan. So some verbs don't need prepositions. Therefore, this is a common one where you make mistake. So she discussed the plan and not discussed about the plan. So remember all these and improve your English. If you like this mini error correction sprint, then put a tick mark in the comment box and tell me which sentence bothered you the most. Follow me for more powerful 2-minute English upgrades. And this is your channel, English with Uma Nagarajan, the one-stop grammar solution. Follow me, subscribe to my channel and watch all my videos. Bye.